Yeah, hello. Yes, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Frandle Technology Company. Yes, I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we talk about how to make money online and a lot. So we have been introducing Neptune Network to a lot of people, and people have been enjoying it, cashing out and a lot. But recently, they are facing some difficulties, and I'm here to give you an update on it because they just gave me an update to give to the public. Yeah, so you see, right now we have send, receive, exchange. Right now, your focus should be on the exchange. So so one thing is, you don't know how to withdraw. So this how you do it. I've already done a video about how you can withdraw and things, but today the update is that some people will be losing their coins, and if you don't want to be part of those who lose their coins, this video is for you. You see, though you have been working hard getting the money, today you can't withdraw it and things. So let's assume that you have exchanged the money into your USDT account right now. Withdrawing it from the USDT right now is not possible, and exchanging USDT to NT is not possible. There are two ways to make money on this platform. That's the DEFI and the farm. You see, yeah, and by becoming the ambassador or like doing things. So if these two, the farm and DEFI, you're not in one, this video is for you. So let's say you have release coins. That one you can do it, but I'm not advising you to deposit money inside. Let's assume that you have release coins and you haven't joined the DEFI trade. Just go to DEFI trade and deposit, let's say 10 USDT. I'm not saying that you have to deposit money from your crypto wallet. If you have the release coins, just go to the exchange and exchange, let's say 10 USDT. Go to your DEFI and participate in a DEFI, because on the 12th September, if you're not in a DEFI trade, you may lose all your coins. So right now, you see I have 170 NT coin, and right now the value of the NT is rising. It means that what they told us is actually possible, because they told us that they want the NT to gain value. So we don't know what they are doing. So if you have these coins in your wallet, and let's say you're an ambassador like me, for me, we don't need to even participate in the DEFI, but still, because of people we have introduced them into the platform, we will still get paid. So let's assume that you are a partner like that, like us, and you haven't participated in the DEFI, you may end up losing all your coins. So if you have the USDT right now, you can't withdraw. So what you have to do is just use some of the USDT on a DEFI. Just go to the DEFI trade and deposit, let's say 10 USDT on DEFI. But if you don't have the release coins, don't do it. I'm talking about people who have release coins and they don't want to lose their coins. And if you're already in the DEFI trade, that one is cool. But if you're not in the DEFI trade, you may end up losing all these coins. So you may end up losing all these coins. So just go to the DEFI. You see, me, I wasn't in the DEFI. I was earning money, but I wasn't in the DEFI. So just recently, last 3 days, and I participated in DEFI, just 10 USDT. Because I initially transferred it to USDT in my account, trying to withdraw. It wasn't possible, and I got to hear the news. So okay, then let me participate in the DEFI for 10 USDT. At least when for 12th September, it's around the corner. It may come just now, so I will not be end up losing my money. So I have to do it. And as you can see, I've just deposited 10 USDT. This one, I'm saying that if you don't have release coins in your account, don't do it. But let's say if you're an ambassador, if you're a referrer and you have a lot of USDT and you haven't participated in the DEFI trade, just do it, or you may end up losing the money, because right now they are seeing that people who introduce like people into the platform, they receive more money than those who what participate in DEFI trade. So right now, everyone wants to be an ambassador. You see that thing? So right now, they want to do some things to clear some people. And if you want to like withdraw your money, you have to what rebound your Google capture. That's a Google authenticator. And I will do a full video to show you how you can back up the private key and rebound it before you can what exchange your money to TRX and withdraw it. I will do a full video about that. Sorry. Yeah, I will do a full video about that. But today is for this update. That because like right now, if you go to X or Twitter or let's say Telegram to chat them, they will not reply you. That's why I said that. So just do the needful thing. Then wait for them. Wait for the September to come and let's see the next move. We'll say that then. Yeah. Don't say, oh, they are gone. So you'll not listen to this update. When there was like last year, it was like that too. Right now, everything that the NT is going up. Have you seen it? If you go to the quotes, you see that the NT is like running 0.51. So for NT to get to $1, it's possible. It's possible. So let's just wait for the September. Because I can't remember last year it was like that. We were like, I think November, we were, like the withdrawal wasn't possible for us, but it gained value and people were withdrawing money. So it's simple like that. So just be cool. You see that then? Just be cool and go to the DEFI trade and participate in the DEFI trade, because they say right now 10th, I think it's 10th or something like that, September, if you don't participate in the DEFI trade, you may end up losing all your coins. And I know that you like you don't want to lose all your coins. So that then, yeah. So you have to what? Just do the default and hope for the best. Is that and hope for what? The best. But if you're already participating in the DEFI trade, that one day you're already in the game, so you don't need to do anything. Is that thing? So because right now the USD and trons are well. So if you want to withdraw your money currently, you rebound your authenticator, exchange the entity to the trons and withdraw it. That one I've already done the videos about it yesterday. Yeah, so that one you can do it and exchange your TRC and cash out. But I'll do videos on how to what do your rebound and everything, how you can rebound it and everything. Yeah, I will do videos, yeah, I think tomorrow to show you. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Randall and I'm out.